Top 5 benefits of ginger for over age 50. Doctors shocked. Are you ready to uncover the secret weapon that's astonishing doctors? If you're over 50, this age-defying spice could transform your life in ways you never imagined. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the remarkable benefits of ginger. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but recent research has uncovered its incredible effects, particularly for those over 50. Ginger is taking the world by storm, leaving doctors amazed by its impact on health and vitality. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 benefits of ginger that are changing lives for those over 50. We'll delve into the science behind these miraculous effects and share simple yet powerful ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Trust us, you don't want to miss this game-changing information that could revolutionize your health and well-being. Let's dive in. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. First, let's discuss ginger's incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains a bioactive compound called gingerol, which acts like a superhero in combating inflammation. As we age, our bodies experience more wear and tear, which can be particularly troublesome for those over 50. Aches, pains, and joint stiffness can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming. But fear not, ginger is here to save the day. Gingerol's potent anti-inflammatory effects can soothe aching joints and reduce inflammation, making it invaluable for those dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. But that's not all, ginger's anti-inflammatory superpowers go beyond pain relief. By reducing inflammation, it can also improve overall mobility, which is crucial for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as we grow older. Whether it's a leisurely walk in the park or chasing after grandkids, ginger can help you move with ease and comfort. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Pain Medicine revealed astonishing benefits of ginger for older adults. The research found that ginger can significantly relieve pain, outperforming conventional painkillers. While the study primarily focused on menstrual pain in older women, the findings highlight ginger's powerful pain relief and anti-inflammatory properties, which extend to various health concerns for older adults, including arthritis, digestive issues, and age-related inflammation. So, the next time you're feeling stiff or achy, don't forget to call on ginger, your trusty inflammation-fighting companion. Add a touch of this magical spice to your meals or enjoy a warm, soothing cup of ginger tea to unleash its healing properties. Your body will thank you, and you might find that age is merely a number when you have ginger by your side. 2. Digestive health benefits. Now let's explore ginger's benefits for digestive health. Ginger has long been renowned as an effective natural remedy for digestive issues, and for people over 50, this is a true blessing. As we age, our digestive systems can become more sensitive, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, and indigestion. But fear not, because ginger is here to help once again. This humble root has a unique ability to support proper digestive function, soothing an upset stomach and providing much-needed relief. The secret behind ginger's digestive magic lies in its potent compounds, such as gingerols and showgales. These compounds stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, making it easier for food to pass through comfortably. It's like a gentle massage for your insides. If you're over 50 and frequently experience digestive issues, why not give ginger a try? With its long history as a natural remedy, it's definitely worth considering. Simply add a pinch of ginger to your favorite recipes, sip on some soothing ginger tea, or even snack on candied ginger. Your digestive system will thank you, and you might find yourself feeling lighter, more comfortable, and ready to take on the world. 3. Immune-boosting properties. Let's now discuss ginger's immune-boosting properties. For people over 50, whose immune systems may not be as robust as they once were, ginger offers significant benefits. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to infections and common illnesses, which can make us feel quite unwell. But don't worry, because ginger is here to help. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, ginger can strengthen the immune system, empowering it to fend off pesky germs and keep you feeling your best. But that's not all, ginger's antioxidants do more than just support a healthy immune system. They also neutralize free radicals, those notorious molecules that can wreak havoc on our bodies and contribute to various age-related health problems. Incorporating ginger into your diet not only boosts your immune defenses but also takes a proactive approach to maintaining your overall well-being. So, if you're over 50 and looking for a tasty and natural way to give your immune system a little extra oomph, why not give ginger a try? Add some zing to your meals with a sprinkle of ginger powder, cozy up with a steaming cup of ginger tea, or indulge in a ginger-infused smoothie. With ginger in your corner, you'll be better equipped to fight off infections and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. 4. Support cognitive health. Ginger is a versatile spice that not only adds a kick to your favorite dishes but also supports cognitive health, especially for those over 50. As we age, our brains can benefit from a little extra care, and that's where ginger comes in. Research suggests that ginger may have neuroprotective effects, helping to maintain cognitive function and keep our minds sharp as we age. It's like a personal trainer for your brain, keeping those mental muscles toned and ready for action. Ginger's brain-boosting magic lies in its rich supply of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, the arch-nemesis of cognitive health. Oxidative stress has been linked to various age-related cognitive issues, including cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're providing your brain with the tools it needs to fend off the harmful effects of oxidative stress and stay in top shape. So, if you're over 50 and eager to keep your mind sharp and focused, consider adding ginger to your life. Sprinkle some ginger powder into your favorite recipes, savor a soothing cup of ginger tea, or experiment with ginger supplements. With ginger as your trusty cognitive sidekick, you'll be well equipped to tackle life's challenges and continue to dazzle the world with your mental prowess. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Lastly, let's discuss how ginger can help with blood sugar regulation. Ginger is not only a culinary delight but also a powerful ally in managing blood sugar levels, particularly for people over 50. As we age, maintaining balanced blood sugar becomes increasingly important, especially for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes or already dealing with the condition. Ginger emerges as the unsung hero in blood sugar regulation. This remarkable root has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to respond to insulin and keep your blood sugar in check. Ginger's blood sugar balancing benefits are attributed to its unique mix of bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal. These potent molecules enhance the body's response to insulin, ensuring that glucose is efficiently absorbed by your cells and preventing blood sugar spikes that can harm your health. So, if you're over 50 and looking for a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, why not give ginger a try? Whether you're adding a pinch of ginger powder to your morning oatmeal, sipping on some invigorating ginger tea, or experimenting with ginger supplements, incorporating this powerful root into your daily routine can help keep your blood sugar stable. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to manage your blood sugar and embrace a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. There you have it, the top 5 incredible benefits of ginger that are leaving doctors amazed and transforming the lives of people over 50. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.